Hi, I'm so excited to talk to you about YouTube tags and how you, as a small channel or a new channel, can actually gain appearance. And you know what? YouTube has made some changes recently that it is designed to help people really get started. And so I don't know if you've ever noticed that there are a special type of tag that has just appeared in the last few months. And it looks like the tags are very similar to um, that what you get on Instagram or LinkedIn is basically the hashtag and then a phrase. Um, and those are the tags that you actually can see. And of course, there's also tags that you do not see. So we're going to talk about tagging your videos so you can be seen and so you can sneak in behind those big behemoth channels that have been around for a long time, who have like tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views, hours. So, but before I really talk about the tags specifically, I just want to address, like, before you are thinking about creating a video, do a little bit of research. So what that means is, you know, if you want to talk about a certain topic, do research and see how trending it is. It could be that if you don't see a lot of activities in the last few months or within the last year, it could be of two things: that what you're talking about is not trending, or maybe you're using a tag or a keyword that is not trending, but your topic is trending. So keep just searching for the right tags, and then once you find out the right tag that works for you, then craft your video according to the tag, because you know you want to talk about the topic that's related to what is in your title and your tag. So let's go talk about the latest tag that is given to you by YouTube, and then we'll talk about the traditional tags that YouTube has. So remember, there's two tags now. I'm going to go into my channel. Just a moment. I'm going to screen share and show you how it works. So here, when we're talking about tags right now, let's think of, like, for little channels, sometimes creating a tag might be, even though it's trending, it might be giving you you might be lost if you use the wrong tag. So for instance, if I go social media marketing, you know, that's a trending tag because within a year, there's this guy who has over 700,000 views. This person here has over 50,000 views in 9 months, and then here's 130, here's 300 views within a year, and here's another one that 7 months ago, it had over 125,000 views. However, so you know, like, if I keep scrolling down, there's a lot of tags used that says social media marketing. However, if there's a lot of people who are using the same tag, and if you're a new channel, well, perhaps social media marketing might not be a tag to use, because you're going to get lost in the sea of, like, behemoth. However, this is why it's really important to narrow down your tag a little bit and be more specific. So if I were to say YouTube tag or YouTube marketing, there are less frequent occurrences of them. Here you have 6 months ago, there's 6,000 views. 2 years ago, 130,000 views. And here, about 3 months ago, it's 1,000 views. So if you narrow down your tag and you notice that it's actually still getting views, you're most likely going to appear in the search algorithm. And so I'm going to use, so if I were to move away from this social media context and use on my personal channel, like, I only have right now 20 subscribers. If I really wanted, I could ask all my friends and family to subscribe, but those are not really authentic and organic subscriptions. I want people to actually, who are subscribing, to actually view my channel. So that's why I only have 20,000 views, but have 20,000 subscribers. But even with my 20 subscribers, sorry for the earlier mistake, I still can sneak into and be viewed and be seen in a search algorithm. So here it is. Here's my video with that I created just a couple of weeks ago. And you notice there's a tag that says social media content. This pound social media content. If I were to click on it, there are so many down here that has social media content, and I'm going to be lost. And I can't even find my videos anywhere here, but I keep scrolling. However, if I go back and if I use a tag that says Facebook Live video, I'm actually seen here. If I were to count, I probably would be in like 6th or 7th place in the video on that tag, so I can be seen. And then if I go a little further, I'm going to go back to my channel and say, and just narrow it down a little bit more, and say, repurposed content actually show up even earlier in the tag right there. So that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eight channels are in front of me. So, but I still can be seen. I don't have to scroll all the way down to. So here is the video. This is my video that I created just a couple of weeks ago. So now there's the importance of tagging. So let's go into the 2 different tags. I'm going to go back to that video I have, and I'm going to do edit my video, and so I can just show you the one tag. There's one tag that's actually new, one set of tag, and it's like the hashtag, and it's a phrase. And so it's actually written in a description. And then so if you were to click on those tags that's written in the description, you say pound whatever, and you click on it, what YouTube would do is just show you all the channels that has those tags. And for me, if I were to, I have the social media content tag here. When I actually click on it, I'm just lost in this. I just don't find myself. However, if I click on repurposed content tag, I am seen. And if I click on Facebook Live video, I'm seen as well. And this is the newest tag from YouTube. So that's really cool to find that out, and that's amazing. So, and then there's a second tag, which is the traditional YouTube tag, and that's written, you actually have it in the tagline. And you've noticed that you're allowed 500 characters in this tag. So what that means is actually you can do phrases, and so when you put tags in here, you do a combination of your title, because my title for this is how to repurpose your Facebook Live videos for Instagram and YouTube with ease. And so my first tag should be the title of my video, and then it's a combination. So I do how to repurpose social media content, how to repurpose a Facebook live stream on YouTube, and then and the list goes on and on. And so that's a tag. And also when it comes to a tag in the description, also tag your channel name, because sometimes people actually search on your channel name, especially when you've gone networking or not, and they want to see if they want to work with you. What are they going to do? Search on your name, obviously. And so actually, I hope you actually enjoy this video, and if you actually found it useful, please press the subscribe button, and well, have a nice day. Thank you.